Well, that sucks. Find out next time on what will we break next. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to fire up Tode, hopefully. Got the fuel cell on, got everything hooked up, got all my wiring correct, I believe. There's some like stupid stuff with this dash where this stupid Chinese thing didn't give me the right wires. Freaking China.
China, 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 China.
But that's that. So, I mean, I got fuel to it, so let's see if it fires up. Here goes nothing. Well, I was right. That was nothing.
Man, can't anything go right in my life?
The reason it just went click, click at first is because it was hydrolocked and then must have pushed through it. Awesome. So I'm like, man, it smells like lots of gas. I drained the oil and look at that. Straight E85 in the oil. There should only be 2 quarts of oil, and these bikes are like 2.5 or something like that. And that's a 5-quart pan that's full. So that means 1 or 2 of the carbs, the floats I believe, are sticking open. Super cool. So let's see that problem. It's probably just because it's been sitting and I guess filling it up, going in there, filling up the cylinder, and then going past it down into the wall, or down the cylinder wall all the way into the oil, which is great. But I still want to see if this motor runs, so I'm just gonna, there's no more gas left in it, used it all, draining the oil, replace the oil, put a little bit of gas in and see if it starts up. Oil is changed. I put just a little bit of gas in it, just enough to get it going, so we will see what happens again. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Almost. A little something. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, let's take this outside before I suffocate. And here's where we are at now with the Todeswagen. Flip this, pump comes on. Ugh, it's really, really cold. It was 70 and now it's like 20. So now we got to, oh yeah, you can hear the pump. It like basically stops once it gets to 4 psi, which is pretty sweet. So now what we got to do is check for leaks, coolant. Oh my god, that wind's cold. Hey North. Coolant leaks, oil leaks. This stupid dash right here, the instructions say, oh yeah, for the tech, connect your wire, which is this one right here, that's what I'm running from the coil, to the black and yellow wire. There's no black and yellow wire here. This yellow and white one's for fuel. I've tested it. I'm missing like, there's 4 wires that are not in this freaking harness. So I emailed them like, how the heck do I get the tach to work then? Well, get this harnesses tied up, see? Get those done. And then I think on the next video, we will button up that stuff and see if it moves, which would be pretty sweet. I like it. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Well, that sucks. Find out next time on what will we break next.